Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your receipt on the Costco app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your receipt on the Costco app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Costco app. Next, go ahead and click on account on the middle bottom hand side. Then on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on orders and purchases. So if you give this a couple of seconds to load, it's going to show your previous orders, whether it's been online or in store. So here you can see it. And if we click on view order details, you can see the receipt of an item that you've bought. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your receipt on the Costco app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.